Hello and welcome to the second video. In the previous video we saw how hash works and what are the properties of it. Right now we want to understand how hash used in such a way can chain information that it makes it immutable, since you cannot change the information without changing the hash. So again, I'm using the lyrics for Imagine from John Lennon. And here we are. We have three exact identical blocks of information. So for each cell here, we have a block. So for this cell, the hash for it, the only last 8 digits, is this one. If I have the same text, I'll have the exact same hash. Underneath here, what I have is the same thing. I get the information on top plus the information on the left. That's another block. And I'll have the hash. As long as this information is the same on all of them, the hashes will be the same. This is a way for you to have a distributed information among, let's say, 3 copies of a document without any inconsistency. Just out of curiosity, if you come here to this cell and you take a look here, the formula, and see what cells depend on this one. So the next cell depends, and then the next, so they are tied. If you check what cells precedes it, so you see here, all the previous cells are linked to the content of this one, so you cannot change one without changing the other. Let's do a quick test here. I hope someday you'll join us. I'll just add a comma at the end. What happens here is that the hash here changed, but not only on this line. Even though the contents of the next line are the exact same, since this hash has changed and it used in a calculation with the previous one, it will change all the hashes from that point on. Meaning that if I just come back here and I delete it, all the hashes will be the same. And this is a way for you to keep information all together and identical. So now we have to add a new block of information, since the lyrics doesn't go up to the end of the music. So this is the text I want to copy. So I'll get the text itself and I'll bring it here and I'll copy it here. It will show it's different, but if I put it here, it's different from here. Now all 3 are equal. So what happens? The hashes are exactly the same. This means that whenever I have an addition to the ledger, to the information listed here, the 3 instances of the ledger, or all the copies of it, have to agree in what is the next block that should be added. So for that, you'll need consensus, and then you'll need mining, that you can see in the next video, video number 3. I hope that it was easy, and the spreadsheet is available on the link on the video description if you want to play with it. Okay? Thank you for watching.